Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you how to create ebooks and sell them use AI avatar. This is my own dashboard on Gumroad and I will refresh the page. It's for this year 2026. Now let's get started to create my ebook. Use Cloud and for free. I tell Cloud to give me best micro niche on that have high volume search on a healthy niche. Now uh, Cloud AI will start searching about what have a high volume search in web, and let's show what to give me. This is the best digital ebook guide Cloud AI gave me for create my ebook. This is the one, and the number two, the number three. This is all high volume search on web. People searching about this. It's number 5, and let's show what Cloud AI recommend me. It's recommend me the first one. Now I will copy the first one. I'll copy it. And I will tell Cloud AI to give me outline for create a professional ebook about this niche. About this. Now, Cloud AI will start create me a full outline for this ebook. This is the number page, the content focus, 30-day meal plan. Now I will tell Cloud AI to create me a full ebook PDF from this. It starts to generate my ebook, and let's finish. It takes some time actually. Now my ebook it's ready. This is, and I need a title and a description for the Gumroad page. This is the full PDF book. It looks simple, but it's professional. Look at the color, everything, it's good. Now I will I will go to Gumroad, and I go to a product. This is my own product actually. This is my results. Click on create new product. Here I copy the title from Cloud, copy it, go back to Gumroad, pass the title. Here we choose ebooks, and here you can add any price. It should be a low price for get more sales. Now I will copy the description too. Here, copy it, go back to Gumroad, pass it here, choose this. You can edit this, make it bigger. I will edit this too. Click text, title 1. That's good. Now I will I will copy this keyword from the title in Cloud AI. The high protein within the rest. Just one. Remove this. And I will copy the first keyword. And I will pass it in here in URL. Now I will go back to ChatGPT for create a cover book. Just pass the title of your book and tell ChatGPT to create cover for Gumroad page, and copy this size. Pass it on ChatGPT. Click generate. Now this is my own cover from ChatGPT, and I need to generate other cover book from this size. Copy this. Go back to ChatGPT. Pass. This is my first one. And here I will tell ChatGPT to give me another cover for use this size. Pass the size here. Size, pass it. Now this ChatGPT starts generate me the cover. Click on this and download it. Click here and I will show the final results. This is the number 2 cover. I will go back to Gumroad, upload the cover number 1, download the cover number 2, go back to Gumroad, here the cover number 2, click open. Now this is my cover, the sales page on Gumroad. It's simple, but it's work. Here the cover number 1, the cover number 2, and here the price. Edit the price and choose this option. For anyone, if you want to pay you more, you can do that. Here click save and go to continue, and here you upload the PDF ebook we generated with Cloud. Here upload it here and click publish and continue. Let's finish now. Now the book is ready. It's ready. Let's review my page. Click here. This is my sales page on Gumroad. Looks like it's simple, clean. Don't need to edit a lot of things. This is the description, the title, this. Now I will go back to Cloud AI. I will tell him to give me a video topic idea that added value about this topic from my book. Now Cloud AI will start give me some video idea for create my video with AI avatar. Let's show the topic here. Top 8 video topic. All this, it's a solve problem, added value to your audience. Now let's copy the first one. This is like a question. I will copy it and go to ChatGPT. Open new search and I will tell ChatGPT to create me simple, clean, short form video script about this. Paste it the title here, and now ChatGPT will give me a short form script. Now we should to create AI avatar that talk. I will go back. I will go to Step Magic AI, and you find the link in the description. Click and go here. Click more and choose AI avatar. Here you can find a lot of AI avatar, but you should choose one AI avatar and start create daily content with this and grow your page. Let's choose the woman talking about healthy. Anyone in here, and I will choose this. Here you choose any language you want to AI avatar talk it, and I will go back to ChatGPT. I will copy the scripts, paste it here, and let's remove the seconds, the number. Remove this too. You should to edit the script. Don't just copy it and paste it on a Step Magic AI. Remove this. Remove the hook. Remove the YouTube scripts. Let's remove this too. Edit it for more talk naturally. You should to edit your script. Move this too. Remove this. Now just click on create video. Step Magic AI will give me a full AI video avatar short form in one click. Now let's click on edit and review the video.
Why vegetarians are protein deficient without knowing it. If you're vegetarian, you might be eating less protein than your body actually needs without realizing it. Most vegetarians eat plenty of carbs and vegetables, but many meals are surprisingly low in protein. The problem isn't being vegetarian, it's relying on foods like pasta, rice, bread, or salads without adding high protein ingredients. Your body needs protein to build muscle, keep you full, and support healthy skin, hair, and recovery. If every meal is low in protein, it can add up over time. Easy fix? Add foods like lentils, chickpeas, tofu, tempeh, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, edamame, eggs, or high-protein beans to every meal.
It's good, talking naturally and come with
Why
captions.
vegetarians are protein deficient without knowing it. If you're vegetarian,
Here
you might
you
be eating
can
less protein than your body.
Speed the talking text. Here another AI tool you can use. You can add the B-rolls. Here you can clean audio, remove bad text, connect eye contact, and here the
Why
B-rolls.
vegetarians are protein deficient without knowing it. If you're vegetarian, you might be eating less protein than your body actually needs without realizing it. Most vegetarians eat plenty of carbs and vegetables, but many meals are surprisingly low in protein. The problem isn't being vegetarian, it's relying on foods like pasta, rice, bread, or salads without adding high protein ingredients. Your body needs protein to build muscle, keep you full, and support healthy skin, hair, and recovery. If every meal is low in protein, it can add up over time. Add foods like lentils, chickpeas, tofu, tempeh, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, edamame, eggs, or high-protein beans to every meal. Eggs, or high-protein beans to every meal.
Now here you can here you can edit the caption. Here you can remove the B-roll and the parts of video. It's actually a good AI avatar video generate, looks like real woman. And here just click export, choose the quality and export your video to your desktop and start upload it on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. But here another way, you can start generate everyday video and connect your all social media with SipMagic AI, and SipMagic will start upload your video every day. Create 2 video or 3 every day, upload it, use SipMagic and drive content to your ebook. If you want to try AI SipMagic AI, you find the link in the description, and see you the next one.